Good morning. Hi, this is Travis with the National Weather Service. This is your weather hazard briefing for Wednesday, March 27th. Looking at the current water vapor imaging, you can see we have a low off the coast, and we're having moisture move across our area in southwest flow. Just light moisture for now, but you can see there's a heavier band that's forming right here. This is going to be a frontal boundary that moves across us, mainly this early evening, but it be late afternoon for extreme western areas, and then early evening, and then it continues on through Thursday morning, hitting our eastern areas. I'll show you the model depiction of that here shortly. And here's just some light returns across our area. It's being blocked into the central mountains, but we're getting light returns up there as well. As far as the radar beams being blocked. As far as our GFS model, you can see that it's showing the light returns across the sawtooth, and then as you get into 5 to 6 p.m., the frontal boundary sets up and starts to move across our area and across our eastern areas, and then some wraparound as we get into Thursday, and then even a little bit of Friday. We have some setting up across our eastern areas as well. And by Friday, the snow level is around 5,500 feet. So as we look at the surface map, it's showing that most of the front is through by midnight. Again, some of our areas, it will take until mid-morning tomorrow for it to move all the way through. The stronger moisture all the way through our eastern areas lingers behind. Again, the rain snow levels, will be rising about 7,000 feet today, and then it will start dropping as that frontal boundary comes around 6,500 feet, and will remain around 6,500 feet for most of the area, and then just drop into Thursday to around 6,000 feet, and then 5,500 by Friday. We have a slight chance of thunderstorms this afternoon, particularly when that boundary moves through in the late afternoon, early evening hours, particularly. And then here's our max temperatures, about what we saw yesterday, if not a little bit warmer. This is about 10 degrees, 5 to 10 degrees above normal for most of the area, and in that southwest flow. And then as we go into Thursday, you can see that it's showing a little boundary set up, and the wraparound moisture is our Montana Divide is going to get the heavier snow amounts. And I'll show you the storm total here in a bit. But you can see for Wednesday night and Thursday morning, we don't really get above freezing, so that kind of plays into. We'll have some snow melt across the area, particularly below 6,500, in that 6,000, 6,500 feet. That's where a lot of snow is. I'll show you that. And our max temperature on Thursday is around normal, maybe degree or so below, and then it does get a little breezy on Thursday as it all goes through. But I want to show you just as far as Wednesday into Thursday as that system moves through. We are looking with warmer temperatures. We're seeing around 28 to 32 degrees for all these areas in the orange. It's from Bellevue, Cary, Peekaboo, Arco, Rexburg, Du Bois, Preston, Malad, Income area, maybe a little bit into Driggs and Victor, but they're showing about a quarter of an inch of melt in that 48 hours as as we have the southwest flow and then the rain on snow. It does look about a quarter inch. Could be some areas could get up to 4/10 of snow melt, and then as you look at the amount of precip we're getting about a quarter of an inch to a half an inch in some areas, but in general we're getting about a quarter of an inch across the area. Some of these areas up like in Arco could get up to half an inch. So in total you're going to get possibly up to half an inch of rain on snow, and then you're going to have a quarter of an inch of snow melt, maybe up to 4/10 to half an inch. It will be over 48 hours, so it won't be rapid. So there is going to be some ponding issues, and as you look at some of these areas in red, but I'm not expecting it to be moderate at this point, and it's just something to be aware of at this point. And as we look on to Friday, again, we do have another little wave of moisture moving through. It's mainly going to be our eastern areas. I saw some upslope areas across Snake River Plain, and then eastern areas, 1 to 2 inches with the snow level around 5,500. And then as you look at your min temperatures, they are starting to get quite a bit below freezing for those areas that had snow, and then just a little bit above freezing across the eastern Magic Valley. And then our max temperatures on Friday, they are even lower. so a couple degrees below normal, maybe up to 5 degrees below normal. And then as you look into Saturday morning, even cooler, particularly for the mountain areas and those areas that have some remaining snow left. And then as you go into your max temperature on Saturday, it starts to warm up a little bit. And just show you long term what's going to happen here. I'm still looking for precip. Saturday afternoon might be the only one into Sunday, maybe no precip, but then past that point, we get another little wave of moisture moving through into Monday night into Tuesday, and you can see it continues through Wednesday. So still unsettled. There may be a slight break on Sunday, but still unsettled through the period. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call at this number. Thank you.